you know, we can do Zoom calls with all of our partners and or Teams calls or whatever it is, and phone calls, and you know, you can connect and communicate, but it's just not the same as being amongst the people at the show, listening to the machines, being able to touch the products and see how they work, and really interact with people and really rub elbows with everybody. So for me, trade shows are a big part of our strategy. I think for our business, especially because the end users come in and we can help them, but the builders and the dealers are some of our biggest customers too. So the other exhibitors are some of our partners, and we have a lot of fun just being in the same place at the same time, and what happens at the show, and then afterwards with like the, you know, the happy hour beer tent thing. It's a lot of fun, and going out to dinner with folks that you get to see a few times a year. So.